Sorry guys, it's too dark here because look, it's at night time. Anyways, let's go to the lighter one. Oh no! Let's go here. Yes! Warning, there's a light here.
So I thank the Lord because one way or another, kaya ako namin because of this ministry. And I'm here to prophetic word to come from God's pangalan for the church. So in that ways, marami pong category yun eh. That's what I like. And I think since we are in the transformation,
We got a birthday here.
ng ating bansa. So here's
This is what I just draw. Mr. Black Invisible. Ah. Let's go to the next thing is gonna be this one. The swimming pool. It's so dirty. There's flashing lights and there's one for babies. Let us look. This is it. The small swimming pool got bright lights. This is how I can touch it. I got so warm. There's a cockroach here. Sorry guys, it's too dark. That's to see. And look. It's too dark there. You want to open the door? This is your hand. Joan's hand. That's just my hand.
Those shall rise up the foundations of many generations, and you shall be
You go to the other side.
the restorer of God's together. There's been a lot of prophetic that comes to somebody.
Oh, blur.
Thank you so much. Ang natin mga bishop ay gusto mo natin tawagin ang presidente ng OFW, si Ma'am C, at representative po ng CTF, Pastor Leo Santos. Palakpakan natin ng Panginoon sa buhay natin.
Is it? That's it. Those are the foods.
Tumalilig ko sa mga pastor and bishops ko dito. Salamat ako sa Panginoon dahil nagkaroon ako ng pagkakataon ng mabati kayo nakasama ko.
Yeah. The next thing is good. This one. The cafe. See? So. And it's beside at the parking and at that swimming pool we just come in this one. Okay, now the next thing. Wait, there's still more space here. But how will I even go this? Oh, there's officers there looking at us. What? He doesn't see that waterfall. Oh, it's too blurred. You can't see it. Let's go. It's too scary.
Napagbigyan niyo po yung anak ko kumawag sa sponge na. Happy birthday po, Pastor.
Say hello. Hello, guys. It's me. Let's go.
Tinanong ni Lord si Solomon, anong gusto mo? Ibigay ko sa iyo.
Yeah, let's just watch and.
Pero, hindi lang yun ang binigay ni Lord. Binigyan ka ni Lord ng wise heart.
Can't see.